See, this is what I'm talking about. So this is the pipe here, and see how it deteriorates here and everything. So guys, this is what happens. You can see a piece, I'm not sure, down there. There's a piece right there, that black piece. Okay, and you see how this gets all, so we have to clean that up. We're gonna try to clean that up real quick. Part of the pipe is down there. You can see a piece of that. So that's where the leak's coming from. This is a crossover pipe, and what happens is it just gets deteriorated inside. You can see, and there's an O-ring inside, but you can replace the O-ring. But if that plastic pipe doesn't have any structure to it, then the O-ring's not going to do any good. The only reason why